Today in this channel, let's have a look into Readymade Binary Investment MLM Webpage demo. If you are new to this channel, previously we have discussed about Binary MLM Software product demo. We have given the links in the description below. We are an MLM software development company in Chennai, Anna running more than 16 years, successfully completed 800 plus projects. Now let's get into the topic. So this is an investment MLM demo and this is how the landing page is appeared for an user. And we have given the navigation tabs like About Us, Events, News, Contact Us in the upper tab, and the design and the content is shown as like you can see here. If you want to change these designs and content, you can change it from the admin access, which we will further discuss in the admin videos. And as it is a demo we have demonstrated here, we have inserted only sample dummy contents and design. But if you want to change it, you can completely change it from the admin access for your users for a better engagement. And if you scroll down, you can see our investment plans. In this our investment plans, we have given a package of a certain amount. As it is in sample, we have created our own samples of amount, but if you wanted, you can customize it, and we have set ROI, binary commission and referral commission for these investment packages based on your MLM plan. You can customize it from the admin demo for your users. And if you scroll down, you can also see about investment MLM. So in this tab, we have described about your investment plan in few words, like what you're doing and what features you have in your investment MLM and what it is benefited for your users. You can see a detailed view in the About Us tab above. And if you scroll down, you can see our services. In our services, we have listed unilevel structure, binary payout, referral commission. The main features are listed here. And if you want to change it according to your MLM plan, you can also customize it. And if you scroll down, you can see investment MLM activity. So in this tab, we have enlisted the recent activities conducted by your admin, or whatever activities you want to show to your users in this web page are demonstrated in this tab below. And if you scroll down, you can see weekly financial report. In this report, you can show your users the estimated weekly report by you or the total users you have and anything in this financial report tab. And below you can see client testimonials. So client testimonials refers to the reviews or testimonials given by the users to you as an admin. So you can share these in your web page so that a new beginner or a user comes into your investment MLM plan, trust you with these testimonials. And below you can see latest events. In latest events, you can see the events conducted by you, the past events, the future events, and all listed by your admin. And you can also change it in the admin demo, which we'll see further. And below you can see quick link, About Us, and latest news. And the next tab is About Us. In About Us, you can see listed about your MLM futures and what MLM plans you are going to run and what is the benefits of it and what exactly is your investment MLM plan. You can show to your users in this page, and you can also see your vision, your mission, and everything you can enlist here in this web page. And the next tab is events. In events, you can see the latest events or the past events conducted by you, or any events you want to show to your users is all enlisted in this. And if you want to see a detailed version, you can click on the events tab and you can also see the detailed version of the events. And next is news. In news, you can see the news list you want to update to your users. If you want to see the MLM recent news, you want to share it with your users, you can update in this web page here. And next is contact us. So contact us tab is really important as it shows your contact information details like mail, contact number and address. So keep updating your contact details to the latest information for the users to contact you. And these are all the features of our MLM software, and we have updated with latest features. And if you want to develop an MLM software like this or on Webpage, you can contact the below number for further details. And later you can see about the sign up and sign in for a user point of view demo in the upcoming videos. So keep following.